cloudy. Much cooler with lows in the lower 30s. Saturday, partly cloudy. Much cooler with highs in the lower 40s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-20s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Sunday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 40s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-20s. Tuesday, partly cloudy. A chance of snow and rain in the morning, then a chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs around 7. Highs in the upper 40s. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office at Wilmington, Ohio. Now broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz in serving southwest Ohio, northern Kentucky, and southeast Indiana, including the greater Cincinnati tri-state area. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office at Wilmington, Ohio. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. High pressure will allow for dry conditions today through Thursday. Rain is forecast to develop Thursday night into Friday ahead of tropical system Nicole. Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KIH42 Covington, Kentucky, public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather Wednesday. Minimum afternoon relative humidities. This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KZZ48 on Kentucky public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky: Carroll, Franklin, Gallatin, Grant, Harrison, Henry, Pendleton, Owen, Scott, and Shelby. And in Indiana, Switzerland. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KZZ48 on Kentucky.